Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 3A, existing TIN surface. This video illustrates A. Default surface settings, B. Draw break lines and boundary, C. Create surface TIN, D. Add break lines and boundary, E. Label major elevations, and F. Create surface data shortcut. Open the survey points drawing. Open. Save as. Existing. Surface. .dwg. Save. Change the default drawing object layer. Settings. Right-click existing surface. Edit drawing settings. Object layers tab. Scroll to TIN surface. Scroll to CD surface EX, select OK, apply, OK. Change default surface feature settings, right-click surface, edit feature settings, default styles, change surface default style, existing surface, OK. Marker style none or blank, leave others as default, depress apply, OK. Break lines are drawn along crests and flow lines to restrict the crossing of these features during creation of the TIN triangles. Use ribbon layer control to change current drawing layer. Scroll down and select C3D Surf Existing Break Lines. Draw break line. Start line command L, enter. Toggle F3 to turn object snap on. Pick a road centerline survey point to start the line. Pick point to draw the line along the center line. Depress enter to stop the line command. Depress enter again to start a new line command. Draw a line along the edge of pavement. Again, depress enter to stop the line. Depress enter again to start a new line. Draw a line along the existing ditch flow line. Continue the process to draw lines along the crests and sags in the drawing. For the purpose of this video, the break line drawing for the Kincaid tutorial project has been inserted into this drawing. A closed 2D polyline boundary at elevation 0 is drawn along the outside edge of the topo survey. Use Layer Manager to change current layer, LA, enter. Scroll to C3D Surface Existing Boundary, double-click. Freeze the survey point control and the survey point freeze layers. Close Layer Manager. Draw TIN boundary. Use polyline command PL enter. Pick a clear area to start the polyline at elevation 0. Toggle F3 to turn object snap on. Pick point to point along the exterior boundary of the survey. Pick the last point in the boundary. Depress enter. Pick the boundary polyline. Pick the start point of the polyline. Drag to the end point and pick. Pick close. The boundary should be a closed polyline. Pick the polyline. Check the status in the properties palette and it should indicate close. Create TIN surface. Home ribbon. Create ground data panel, surfaces, create surface, type 10 surface, surface layer, Civil 3D surface EX, name, existing surface. OK. The existing surface with no properties will be created and displayed in Prospector. Add points, expand surface. Expand existing surface, expand definitions, right-click point groups, add, pick topo elevation, apply, and OK. Add the TIN boundary. Freeze layer C3D surface EX. Right click the boundary definition. Add name existing surface boundary. Type outer non-destructive. OK. As prompt, select the outer boundary. Polyline. Clear all events. Close. Fall layer C3D surface EX. Regen. Add break lines. Turn off all layers except break lines. Layer manager. LA enter. Right click all. Visibility off. Scroll down to C3D survey existing break lines. Turn that on. Close layer manager. In definition, right click break lines. Add description. EXI existing surface break lines. Type standard. Weeding factors none. Leave others as default. OK. Use Windows to select all break lines. Enter. Action panorama. Clear all events. Close panorama. Turn on all layers. Right click. Visibility on. Close layer manager. Freeze layers. LA enter. Scroll down to C3D surf EX boundary. EX break lines. EX10. Survey point elevation. Close layer manager. Add major contour elevation labels. Pick any contour. In the context sensitive ribbon tab, select add labels. Contour single. Zoom to location of label. Pick. Zoom to another location and pick. Depress escape key when finished. Create data shortcut of the existing surface. Save drawing. Scroll down. Right click data shortcuts. Create data shortcut. Select surfaces. Existing surfaces selected. OK. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.